Hello, it's Sean here, and here's the update for foreign exchange. Begin with the dollar index. A pretty quiet week, held just above the support point at 92.12, and then we've got that weekly level at 91.76. A daily close below there targets a major hidden support at 91.06. On the upside, 93.43 needs a daily close above there to turn short-term positive. That targets 94.33 and that big level at 94.74. On to the euro dollar. Not surprisingly, it's the inverse, although no signals at all. What we have is 119.20 above and below 116.04. Pound, a little bit more interesting. Moved up through that weekly resistance at 132.01 and then held it perfectly on Thursday. So what we need now to turn it negative is a daily close below 131.77. It's important to remember that a big monthly level from quite a long time ago is likely to move down to 134.83. Yes, 134.83. Dollar yen had a big signal, a sudden explosion of range a couple of weeks ago, and it stopped directly at that 105.34 point, and then we've just drifted lower. So now what we have is 104.33 as the key resistance point and no support until 101.18. Aussie dollar, very quiet, not doing anything at all. Again, important to remember that the monthly level is going to shift slightly from 73.80, if my memory serves me correctly. Sorry, 73.94, and it's actually going to move up very slightly to 74.14. Downside 71.58. It's a different story on Kiwi in that it's just extended higher. We broke out a couple of weeks ago, had some negatives but not at resistance, so we're not interested in them, and it's just moving higher. And so it's actually worth having a look at the cross rate, so Aussie against Kiwi, and that's showing that we're breaking down. So the key resistance on the cross is 105.81, and there is absolutely nothing until 99.89. Dollar CAD, we got the positive the week before. We held that monthly level at 29.52 pretty much perfectly, but since then just going sideways. We'll finish up with the euro pound. We did get a positive the week before. It was back above the weekly level, but all things Brexit means that very choppy and still the hostage to headlines. Takes a daily close below the low at 88.61 to say that we can extend lower. At the moment, that buy signal is still valid because that low has not been taken out. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much.